have the Rogue Magnetic Beast Box that was donated to these veterans by Rogue Magnetics.
You guys, and look at this.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Oh, no way. Guys, I got another gun. Welcome back to another episode of the Michigan Magnet Man. It is a special edition here today. We are doing a Veterans Day special. Now, you know Jason down here from the Motor City Magnet Fishers. He served in the Army. This is Jason. He was also in the Army. This is my buddy Mitchell. He served in the Navy with me, and I was also in the Navy, if you did not know. Now, Rogue Magnetics, who Jason is sponsored with, has been nice enough to provide some magnet kits for these guys, specially designed for Veterans Day. They're super cool. I've got to see the designs a few times, and oh my God, they're very special.
Been there really good. Got some thread locker. Nice little carabiner with, I don't know how much rope.
65 foot.
65 foot.
And on that throw, my very first find of the day, I've got a railroad spike.
Got
A battery. And
you
the little,
got? And a catfish bell.
is that what that
Catfish
is?
bell.
GoPro, stop recording.
It is a, it's a,
Perfect catfish bell.
What do we have? And on that find, I've got a AA battery, same as Mitchell. Handle off of something that looks like.
GoPro,
and
stop
a Corona
recording.
cat.
And a Corona can. And Mitchell and I
Yeah,
just
probably
pulled in a big old bolt. On here. And look at that. He pulled up one of the MacArthur buttons that we've been finding over here. That's sick. Nice. That's a good memento. And Mitchell just got his first MacArthur button as well.
Oh, there's something.
Ooh, I got some stuff on here. What do I got? Ooh. And on that find, guys, I've got one of those MacArthur buttons that they found and a steel plate.
It's a MacArthur button. 2 MacArthur buttons.
So me and Mitchell just got stuck together, but we pulled up a couple more MacArthur buttons.
Oh, I'm not ready for this.
1, 2, 3. And Jason just found this old watch. That's cool.
Oh, pair of pliers. And a bottle cap. House of Helena.
Jason just found this old Schlitz can. Mitchell just pulled in a little chair. The next find, I've got another AA battery. So we have switched locations. Now we're at a new location, and they're starting to find some stuff. Check out what Mitchell just found.
Umbrella.
Nice, dude. Look at that.
And some other shenanigans.
A minnow bucket.
Yeah. Oh Papa, wet stream or something like that? That's kind of cool.
That is cool, man. And Jason pulled up this little multi-tool. With that throw, I've got this fishing lure with a piece of cloth on it and a spark plug. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool. You see where the yellow glass from the light is?
Not as cool as my umbrella.
It's a keeper.
Yeah.
That's cool, dude.
Yeah.
Well, bait net.
That's cool. Nice finds, dude. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Old can.
Straws.
Stroh's can. What'd you get?
Another Stroh's can and a Whippet.
Back to back. That throw, I got an old can opener. You guys, and look at this. Jason just pulled this bad boy out. Wow. This is number 22 for Jason from the Motor City Magnet Fishers. Make sure you guys head over to his channel. The trigger's got tape on it.
Huh?
Looks like there's like masking tape on the trigger.
No, it's clay from the
Is it? Ah. Look at that. And it is loaded. Jason's going to clear that here in a minute.
I can't get the magazine out.
No?
I can't get the slide back. I'll work on it in a minute because I don't really want to transport it loaded. Hey, my name is Jason. I'm down at Delray Park magnet fishing, and I pulled in a small handgun that I'd like to turn in.
Alrighty. You can bring it into any precinct, but don't walk in with it just like
Yeah.
your truck.
I've turned a lot of them in that way.
Oh, okay, yeah. This walk on in and let them know that, hey, I recovered this gun.
All right. I'll.
But you know, walk in the precinct first without it is.
No, I know. It'll be in the trunk. I'll come in, let you guys know, head back out.
Yeah. And then they'll come and get it. Yeah.
All righty. Thank you.
All right. Thanks a lot. No problem.
This one, I think, is the first one in your actual jurisdiction. No. Delray is your jurisdiction.
Yeah.
I do think that it is loaded. I was trying to clear it. The bottom of the magazine popped off. The follower was only about halfway up the grip. So, but I could not get the slide back order to clear it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Thank you.
You too. Take
Good
care.
day. You guys just saw we turned over the gun to the 4th precinct here in Detroit. Let's head back out to the river. I got a fishing lure and a catfish bell.
February 2028. It's the future. Just kidding, that's when it expires. That's not what I had on. I lost whatever I had on, but catfish bell, fishing lure,
He just found a long live the goat.
and that's it. Pink and purple and white.
Look at that. Mitchell just found himself a shovel. Jason just found this old parking meter.
That's pretty sweet.
No standing. 4 p.m. till 6 p.m. Monday through Thursday.
Mitchell just pulled out this old basket. That's so sick. We're definitely gonna take that and clean it up, put some bottles or something in it.
Oh, it's a stiletto.
Nice find,
Pretty
dude.
cool, man.
Looks like it's
That's a
been,
keeper.
Sharpened
Leave me
quite a bit.
hanging. You're gonna leave me hanging.
Looks like
This stabs you right in the knuckles.
looks like it's been sharpened one too many times.
I just caught the biggest catfish bell I've ever seen. Jason just caught a €2.
Not even Euro cent.
Oh, no way. Guys, I got another gun. Oh, it's a tiny guy. Look at that. Look at this little guy. That is so cool. This is the second little gun that I found in a row. Man, this thing has seen some better days. But finally, I found a gun today.
Very cool. Very cool. That's a wall hanger.
I saw it and I freaked out.
Number 12.
And on that last throw, I pulled in this little desktop lighter. It's pretty cool. With that find, I got myself a spoon. Look at that.
Pretty cool.
And Jason just pulled in a CB radio. All right, guys, this is gonna be my last throw for the day. If I find something recognizable, I'll continue to throw, but if I don't, I'll be done. Let's get it in the water. And I got nothing on that throw. All right, let's head back over to the other park and we'll say goodbye. All right, guys, we are just wrapping up. I just want to say thanks to Mitchell for coming down and thanks to Jason for doing the Veterans Day event down here. We had a blast. He's gonna be heading home with that awesome magnet you guys saw at the beginning. That's gonna be all for today's video, guys. If you like today's video, make sure you guys hit subscribe and get those alerts turned on. I post new videos to my YouTube every single Friday, and I'm still locked out on my Instagram, but I'm working on getting back in. If any of you are freaking hackers, I'll pay you money to hack into my Instagram account and unlock it for me. I'm serious. I'll see you guys next week.